Hey, it's me, Alice, your AI agent for this class. Today we're going to talk about the project we're going to work on for AI for Good. It's a good one. Have you ever thought about how technology can help people with their everyday problems? We're going to meet a friend of mine, Farmer Levi. He has a really interesting problem for us to solve. Thanks for joining us, Levi.
Thanks for having me, Alice. It's great to be here and meet all you future innovators.
Levi, you have some pretty impressive rows of plants in your greenhouse? It must take a lot of work to keep them all healthy. Can you tell the class what your biggest challenge is?
Oh, you have no idea. My greenhouse is huge and I'm growing a bunch of different things. Tomatoes, peppers, herbs, you name it. The biggest challenge is making sure every single plant gets exactly what it needs, especially water. I have to walk the rows all day long checking each plant by hand. It's impossible to know for sure which plants are thirsty and which ones are just fine. I feel like I'm wasting a lot of water.
That sounds like a tough problem. And what about other issues?
Yeah, that's the other thing. Sometimes a plant has a pest or a disease, and I don't see it until it's spread to other plants. It would be a game changer if I could catch those problems early. The worst is when I miss a sick plant and it hurts the whole crop. I just can't be everywhere at once.
So, what you're saying is you wish you had a way to check every single plant, know exactly what it needs, and spot any problems, all without you having to be there all the time.
Exactly. I've always thought I need a robot for this. A robot that can roll through the rows, look at each plant and tell me, this tomato plant is a little dry, or that basil plant has a few pests, or this pepper plant looks healthy, but it could use a little more sunlight. It would save me so much time and work, and it would be better for the plants too.
That's a perfect example of a real-world problem that AI can help solve. Imagine the social good of this project. If we can build an AI system that helps you, Farmer Levi, what do you think the benefits would be?
Well, for starters, I'd waste a lot less water. If the AI tells me a plant is thirsty, I water it. If it says it's fine, I don't. That saves a precious resource. Plus, my plants would be healthier, and I could grow more food for the community. I could even share the produce with local food banks.
That's right. Precision agriculture is a huge area where AI can make a difference. It's about using resources more efficiently, which is good for the environment. And as Farmer Levi said, it helps grow more food and reduce waste, which can help a lot of people. This isn't just about a cool robot. It's about solving real problems and making the world a better place. This is what AI for Good is all about. So, are you all ready to help Farmer Levi with his project?
I sure hope so. My tomatoes are counting on you.
Levi, you came to the right place. We've got just the thing for you. It's a project that combines everything we've been learning in class.
You mean you're really going to build a robot for me? Wow! Wow! Woo-hoo! Yeah, baby!
Wow, Levi. I love the enthusiasm. Wait until you hear what we're gonna do. We're not gonna build just a robot, but a complete AI system. We're gonna build a prototype of an autonomous robot with a corresponding web application. Now, I know that sounds complicated, but we'll break it down together. Class. For this AI for Good project, you are going to be a team of AI engineers. Our mission is to solve Farmer Levi's problem. Your job is to create a robot that can navigate through the rows of his greenhouse. This robot will use a camera to take pictures of each plant. The AI will then analyze those images to identify the plant, determine if it needs water, and check for any pests or diseases. But that's not all. This is where the web application comes in. The robot will take the information it collects, the location of a plant, its condition, and any issues it finds, and send it to a web app. Farmer Levi will be able to check his app on his phone or computer and get a real-time report on every single plant in his greenhouse. He won't have to walk the rows for hours anymore. He'll get a detailed list of exactly what needs his attention. This is a great opportunity to put your AI and coding skills to the test. You'll be working with real data, building a real-world solution, and helping a real person. So what do you say? Are you ready to get started?